For how long will you keep procrastinating? For how long? Why don't you take your decision now? Well, I can remember back then in 1995, my father was contacted by some real estate agents and shown a piece of land. But what was my father's response? He said that this place is in the bush, I cannot buy. Fast forward to 2010, that piece of bush, as he referred it, is worth more than 10 million naira. I can tell how much it is today. Take the decision now. Invest in Pine Leaf Estate. Pine Leaf is the surest. Pine Leaf is the destination. Pine Leaf is the answer to your real estate questions.
Onye ijirelu ụwa ka ọ gbala mmụọ. Arịọga m nda Chineke na Chukwu na nye m ego. Onye emechi ịma n'ụwa wodu mbịa. Iyo koko